Saksakallan gunarnavasya Vande Guru Sri Charanaravindan.
While all the people talked amongst themselves, Daksha saw dangerous omens from all sides, from the earth and from the sky. In this verse, Daksha has been described as Mahatma. The word Mahatma has been commented upon by different commentators in various manners. Virarava Acharya has indicated that this word Mahatma means steady in heart. That is to say that Daksha was so strong-hearted that even when his beloved daughter was prepared to lay down her life, he was steady and unshaken. But in spite of his being so strong-hearted, he was perturbed when he saw the various disturbances created by the gigantic black demon. Vishwanath Chakravarti Thakura remarks in this connection that even if one is called Mahatma, a great soul, unless he exhibits the symptoms of a Mahatma, he should be considered a Duratma, or a degraded soul. In Bhagavad Gita, the word Mahatma describes the pure devotee of the Lord, Mahatmanas tu mam parthadavim prakritim ashrita. A Mahatma is always under the guidance of the internal energy of the Supreme Personality of Godhead, and thus how could such a misbehaved person as Daksha be a Mahatma? A Mahatma is supposed to have all the good qualities of the demigods, and thus Daksha, lacking those qualities, could not be called a Mahatma. He should instead be called Duratma, a degraded soul. The word Mahatma, to describe the qualifications of Daksha, is used sarcastically.